Welcome back to Muslim Culture Club, the place where we explore faith, culture, and the beauty of everyday Muslim life. Today we're diving into something super important, Muslim Etiquette 101. Whether you're a Muslim trying to brush up, a revert, or a non-Muslim friend just curious about what's respectful, this one's for you. Number 1. Greetings. Let's start with greetings. In Muslim culture, saying As-salaamu Alaikum is the go-to greeting. It means, peace be upon you, and the reply is, wa alaikum salam, which means, and peace be upon you too. What are the do's and don't? Do greet with peace. Don't ignore or say something inappropriate. It's better to say a respectful hello than stay silent. Number 2. Entering homes or praying spaces. Before entering a Muslim home or even a prayer space, it's common to remove your shoes. It shows respect and keeps the space clean. What are the do's and don't? Do ask if you should take off your shoes. Don't walk in with shoes on, especially in prayer areas like mosques. Number 3. Handshakes and touch. Now, this one surprises many people. Not all Muslims shake hands with the opposite gender. It's not about disrespect, it's about religious boundaries. What are the do's and don't? Do. Wait and see if the other person initiates a handshake. Don't feel offended if someone politely avoids it. Number 4. Food and drink. When it comes to food, halal is a key concept. Muslims only eat halal meat and avoid pork or alcohol. What are the do's and don't? Do ask if the food is halal when hosting or dining with Muslims. Don't offer alcohol or pork, even casually. Also, many Muslims say Bismillah before eating, meaning in the name of Allah, and Alhamdulillah afterward, meaning all praise is due to God. Number 5. Modesty and dress code. Modesty is central in Muslim etiquette. Both men and women are encouraged to dress modestly, and you'll often see women wearing the hijab. What are the do's and don't? Do respect personal choices around dressing. Don't ask intrusive questions like, why do you cover your hair? Unless someone invites the conversation. Last but not least, number 6. Prayer time. Muslims pray 5 times a day. If someone says, excuse me, it's prayer time, give them space. It's a sacred moment. Do offer a quiet spot if you are the host. Don't interrupt or make jokes about it. At the end of the day, Muslim etiquette is all about respect, peace, and good manners, values that truly go beyond religion. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it useful. And let us know in the comments, what's one etiquette from your culture that others should know about? Until next time, As-salaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah.